Today we're going to show you how to make this wonderful zipper pouch with an Indian bus on it. As with all our kits, it's well explained and it's really quite easy. Cut out the pouch flush with the printed part. Don't forget to cut out the two little tabs. Heat fuse the fleece onto the back of the lining piece. Copy the pouch pieces onto the lining fabric and cut them out. Now take the zipper and place the little tabs, velvet side down, onto the ends and stitch. So stitch them onto both ends like that. Once they're stitched, fold them back and press. Now take your zipper and place it right sides together against one side of your pouch, and then place the lining piece over the top, again right sides together, and stitch along the top. Once that's stitched, open it out, give it a gentle press and top stitch along the edge as close as you can to the zipper. Now take the other side of the pouch and place it right sides together against the other edge of the zipper and sandwich in the zipper with the lining and stitch. Open this back out, give it a press and then top stitch again the other side. At this point, open the zipper halfway, which we forgot to do in the video. Now flatten out the pouches with the velvet sides together, right sides facing, and the lining sides together, and stitch along the long edge, the bottom, the other long edge, and then the bottom of the lining, leaving a hole for turning later. Now you're going to stitch the corners, pinch out the corner so that you have your two seams facing, flatten them out, and then stitch along. Do this for all four of your corners. And now you just need to turn it right side out through the hole that you left, and with your zipper halfway open, which obviously we had forgotten earlier on. Push out the edges of the zippers and the corners. Make it nice and flat. And then all you have to do is just close the hole in the lining. And there you have a lovely zippered pouch for you to take on your travels.